Sentences with linking verbs have subject complements like predicate nouns and predicate adjectives, which is what I talked about in the previous video. Now we're going to talk about objects of the verb, which is something that occurs in sentences with action verbs. Okay. Sentences with action verbs have what we call objects, and we're going to talk about the different kinds of objects that action verb sentences can have. The first type is the direct object. The direct object tells who or what receives the action of the verb. Okay? It's going to be a noun or a pronoun. It follows an action verb, and it answers the question what or whom after the verb. So if you say, I took my little sister to the movie Mulan, we have the verb took. If you ask yourself, took whom? You'll get the answer, took sister. Sister is the direct object. Okay, I is the subject. Predicate is took, direct object. Whom did I take? My sister. Okay, that's how the direct object looks. The direct object, just like everything else, can't be inside a prepositional phrase, so keep that in mind. If you look at this example, Tom was driving his car. Car in this sentence would be the direct object because the car tells what Tom is driving. However, if we change it just slightly and say Tom was driving in his car, this sentence has no direct object because in his car is a prepositional phrase and the direct object can't be inside a prepositional phrase. So find us the direct object. The cat was chasing a moth. We have the subject cat, the predicate was chasing, and the direct object moth. Jeff's mother prepared a delicious dinner of ham and potatoes. So we have the subject mother, the predicate prepared, and the direct object dinner. Because the direct object has to be a noun that comes after an action verb and tells us what did she prepare? Dinner. What remarkable tricks the illusionist performed. This one has inverted word order. So we have the subject, illusionist, the predicate performed, and then you ask yourself, he performed what? Tricks. So tricks will be your direct object. Which photograph of the student body did Marie take? Questions also have tricky word order. So we have the subject, Marie, the predicate did take, and then you ask yourself, Marie did take what? A photograph. So photograph is your direct object.